When the pressure falls below the vapor pressure of the liquid at the given temperature, the boiling occurs, a small bubbles of vapor formed. These bubbles will grow the low pressure area and implode when they are transported to an area of pressure above the vapor pressures. This term is given to the local vaporization of fluid is cavitation. The collapsing the bubbles is the area of a cavitation. Be concerned with the extremely high pressure are produced, which causes noise and erosion of the metal surface. The area of pipeline where cavitation mainly occurs is the pump section, where the liquid is subjected to a rapid rise in velocity and hence a fall in static pressure. When the pressure falls below the vapor pressure of liquid given temperature, boiling occurs, small bubbles are formed. These bubbles will grow the low pressures and implode where they are transported area of above the vapor pressures, and the terms given this local vaporization of fluid caviations. When the pressure falls below the vapor pressure liquid given temperature, a small bubble formed. The term this local vaporization of the fluid caviations. When they are transported area pressure above the vapor pressure. It's indicate in the images. The centrifugal pump, although suitable for most general marine duties. Image number 1, 2, 3. The software in one very important respect. They are not self-priming and they require some means of removing air from the suction pipeline and filling it with liquid. Where the liquid to be pumped at a high level, then the pump opening and air release cock near the pump suction will enable the air to be forced outside of the pipeline, fill up under the actions of gravity. This is often referred as a flute of the pump. Alternatively, the air pumping unit can be provided individual pump or centrifugal priming system connected to several pumps. The water ring or liquid ring primer can be arranged as individual unit mounted on the pump and driven by it, or as a motor driven unit mounted separately and serving the several pump, known as centrifugal priming system. These are the image of centrifugal priming systems. Electric leads, water rings and exhaust vacuum tank and air release valves, both also is cock or front centrifugal pump, suction or discharge. The vacuum tank, cage, vacuum switches, vacuum starters, controller. The pump component and their parts of centrifugal pumps. The motor half coupling, the motor support bracket, top cover, shaft pocket handler, the main frame and casing, impeller, bearing, delivery, casing, bearing, brush, couple spacer. These are the parts of centrifugal pump. The vertical single stage single line entry centrifugal pump for the general marine use. The main frame and casing together with the motor support the brackets. House the pump and elements. The vault casing is split into two halves along the vertical plane. Since the suction and discharge nozzles are provided in the rear of half casing, the rotating element can be taken out by removing only the front half casing without disturbing the rest of pump. The pumping element is made of top cover, pumping shaft, impeller, bearing, bush, sealing arrangement around the shaft. The sealing arrangement may be packed, clamp, or a mechanical seal, and bearing lubrication system will vary according to the type of seals. The replaceable bearing rings are fitted in the castings around the top and bottom of the impeller.